Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking units and layer visibility so the floor plan exports cleanly. Switch to parallel projection and top view to get an orthographic plan. This prevents perspective distortion. Once done, hide furniture and non-structural groups. You only need walls, windows, doors, and level lines. Make sure floor heights and group origins are correct. Then choose File, right arrow, Export, right arrow, 2D graphic. Select vector format for scaling, and set the image size, or DPI, to match the drawing scale you need. After exporting a vector file, you refine it in a vector editor so your plan is precise and editable. Open the PDF or SVG and separate objects into layers for walls, openings, furniture, and annotations. This makes later edits trivial. Once you tidy overlaps and remove internal hidden lines, scale the drawing to real-world dimensions using a known measurement from the model. Make sure wall line weights and hatch patterns are consistent so the plan reads correctly when printed or shared. Finish by adding dimensions, room labels, a north arrow, and a scale bar on separate annotation layers so they can be toggled. Export the final plan as PDF for print or DWG for CAD workflows, and then verify the scale by measuring a known dimension. If the plan is misscaled or distorted, check Sketchup unit settings, confirm you used parallel projection, and verify export DPI and vector editor scaling. If lines are missing, recheck hidden layer visibility and grouped component nesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.